Lord Rick of the Paranormal Ghost Society. I stumbled upon some stool, another pile in the road. It's a good sized pile. There's a lot of hair in it, and there is a bee. I forgot what kind of bees they call these. Maybe those wood bees, the ones that burrow in the trees, or kind of looks like a bumblebee, but it's a little bit smaller. And they usually can live in the ground. I've seen hives in the ground. I almost stepped on one as a kid. I'm really close to him right now. Looks like he's cleaning off his legs and getting ready to fly, so I don't want to get stung. I'm going to back away because he is going to fly. He was eating the stool, and I just heard a strange noise over here. I don't know what that was about. But, yeah, we don't want to use up the battery, so I'm going to shut this off. This is the Lord Rick of the Paranormal and Ghost Society. Strange things amidst in the Blue Lakes area. Bigfoot, who knows? Maybe a predator or an animal, possibility. But this is all part of the adventure when you are looking for something cryptid and trying to prove its existence, such as Sasquatch.